Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to make me a little dress, girl, because I don't know about you, but I don't like wearing clothes in the summer. And this is like a great dress to stay cool in. The fabric is very forgiving. And it's like you can wear it as a house dress. Just come with me so we can make one right quick, girl. It's oof, girl. Most of the time I start out with fabric in my own dress. So here I am folding my fabric twice in half. I'm going to fold my other dress onto it. Now the part that's folded, everything that's folded um is just that, it's folded. Is no openings of the fabric, but the opening will be on the side that's facing me. So once I get this together and get it even, that's when I start cutting. So I cut off a piece at the top because honestly I don't need a neck part. So the way that this is made is cut midway to the chest, and then I go down and cut it the same length as the dress, because that dress I've had for a while. I made that one and it fits me perfect, and the fabric is similar. So yeah, that's pretty much it. No, I did have to go back and adjust the top because I needed that to be a bit more snug around my bust. So that part is not really needed. So what I do next is take it to my serger. You can use your sewing machine and or serger, and sew down one of the sides first, like so. Then I turn it the other side and I sew up the sides. Okay, now at this point I have constructed the sides of the dress, and what I want to do now is go ahead and serge the bottom, because later I will be sewing it, but I want to serge it because I really don't want to fold it twice and sew it. I just want to sew it when it's time to close it out. So this is me doing the bottom of the dress. All right, this is what it's looking like. Now we're gonna do the top. As you can see, the top is smaller and everything is at the bottom is flowing out. I didn't want it to be, a pencil skirt or nothing like that, just something comfortable. So I'm going to serge the top. Okay, this is what we have so far. I turned it inside out. Check it out. I'm gonna try it on right quick to see what I like about it, what I need to change. The only thing I need to change, again, like I said before, I took in under the armpit a little bit more. I want all that to be up under my arm a little bit more snug, and that was about it. But now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and fold it, and so I can hem it on my regular sewing machine, and that's what I'm doing here. Once I complete that part, I'm going to go ahead and fold in my dress on the to create the top. The top, I'm going to add elastic to it, so I'm going to fold it about an inch or so, because the elastic that I have is, I think, only like half an inch. So I'm just trying to work with what I have. And yeah, generally I would, make it the case. I mean, that I can't get it out right now. Generally, I would make it wider, but honestly, this one I did end up folding it like 3/4 and putting like the half an inch in there. It did leave a little bit of room, but I used a zigzag stitch to go around, which didn't really bother me. Now for my elastic, I folded it across the top to the length that I had after I did this, and I took about an inch and a half to 2 inches away from what I would generally put in there. So then I take a pin. You can put it in however you want, but this is what I did for this project. And I basically took that pin and looped it into the stitching, and then I put it through the casing with another safety pin. As you can see, I just went all the way around. And once I got to the other side, I just pretty much took it out. I inspected it to make sure everything would lay flat, meaning I didn't want my elastic to be bent up or anything. I wanted everything to just be in the same direction, laying flat. And so I just took the two edges and overlapped them about an inch, and took them to the machine. Well, use the machine again to zigzag stitch across them. So as you can see, I'm making sure that these go across one another the way they need to, and I'm going to stitch across. Now once I complete that step, I go ahead and give it a good stretch to see what I'm working with, and then I go and I do a zigzag stitch to close the hole out, and that's it. I love how it's fitting. It's giving what I wanted, and I could just run an errand. I can drink me some coffee. Girl, I just wanted me a simple dress. So I look forward to making me a few more simple dresses. But definitely I would like to wear this with a half bra, but this is what I have going on. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.